Hello, welcome to my tutorial series, Object-Oriented Programming for Mobile Website Development. So at this stage, after you have successfully installed your WAMP server on your external drive, so what you will do, you can take that external drive and plug it to any machine, and when you do that, to start your WAMP server, all you have to do on that machine, go to Start, the bottom left corner of your screen, click the Start button, and choose all programs. Okay? Navigate all the way down to the bottom, W for WAMP server. Click on that, and then you will see the Start WAMP server icon. So when you click it, this prompt will come up, which all you have to do there is click Allow. If you cancel, it won't start, but if you allow it, it will start. And once that starts, you will see the icon appear at the bottom left corner of your screen. So I'll pause the video and reposition this screen so you can see it. Okay, so once you start your WAMP server, you will see this icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. Okay, if you put your mouse on there, it will say WAMP server offline. Alright, so that's your WAMP server started. Okay, so what you need to do now is to left click it, okay? And at this stage, I want to show you how you can set up your password for your root, okay? And what you do, you will click on, when you left click that icon, navigate all the way to Mysql, you see, where my mouse is. Down to the right is your Mysql console. So click that. Once you click that, this icon pops up, this console. This is my SQL console. It is here. You can create your database and your tables for your database and query do all your SQL select statement, delete table, insert into table, update table, and all that. You can do that in this console. But you can also create your tables with PHPMyAdmin. Now, to set your password, because you have not got any password, at this stage, there will be no password for you to enter. You see, so all you have to do here is to go ahead and type. Just press enter on your keyboard. So when you enter, see, now you will see that MySQL prompt. That MySQL prompt is where you can type your commands. Okay, if you don't see that, then that's a problem. So once you see that, all you have to do is to type. I will show you the code you need to type there. Type this here. Let me position it properly so you can see that. Okay, so at this stage there are two things you need to do. Step one is, if you type this code on MySQL console, right, which says update, all this code here is all case sensitive, so you must type it as you see it here. The only thing you need to change in this line of code, line 3, is your password. All the single quotes and the brackets must be left in place, and everything else, they are all case sensitive. So the only thing you need to change is from Y to D, your password. Okay. Once you've typed that, you press enter on your keyboard and wait for the query OK to return. And when the query OK returns, you will see another prompt. You will see this prompt again. All right. Now, when you see that, you can go ahead and type the second line of code, line 7. So it's only line 3 and line 7 you need to type. So when the query is OK, you type flush privileges and end of your statement. Okay, you must include that end of your statement. When you press enter on your keyboard, then you will see another query OK plus my SQL console prompt. Okay, and once you've done that, you will now need to go browse to WAMP apps PHPMyAdmin 3.2.2.1. You are looking for a file called config.inc. This file here is what you're looking for. When you open up that file, you need to make these changes. You see a line that reads this line, right? Server password, and this between there is empty, you see? So what you have to do, the same password you type there is what you will type in that, between that single quotes. In other words, change this line to read, specifying your password to read line 20. So you just type in your password there. Once you do that, you can go ahead and save your file, and that's you done. And when you open up your Mysql again, Mysql console, and try to enter without inputting your password, you will have access denied. Okay, so let me go ahead now and demonstrate that to you, how you can do just that, all right? So you got that. To save time, all I have to do, I will copy all this. I'll copy all that as it is, right? And then paste it here. To paste, you just right-click that flashing cursor and then go paste. It will paste all that for you. Assuming your password is your password, I'm just using this as a sample. You can change it. So once you enter, see what happens. What you enter. Query OK. 2 rows affected. So once you see that query OK, that means your query is OK. Now you need to come here and then copy that second line of code. Flush privileges. They're all case sensitive. Copy that and then come back here again. Where that cursor is flashing, put your mouse on there. Right click. It will you can paste your code there. Without end of statement, enter again. That's it, you're done. Now once you've done this, you can now go ahead and start creating your database and your tables and all that. But at the moment, what you want to do here is to issue a quit. Every time you finish with Mysql console and you want to exit, don't just go there and close the console. You must quit from here. You can type exit or quit. So you quit, end of statement. Once you click enter now, this console will disappear. Okay. Now that is gone, what you can do is to pull it up again, right? Left click that icon, go to Mysql again, pull that console again. That pops up. Okay. When that pops up, if you try to enter now without entering your password, you have access denied, and the program will, the console will disappear. You know, it will not even let you, give you a chance to do anything else. It will just disappear. But when you type that password, you know what your password is. Your password. Now, it will, you are in. You see, you have typed your password, and now you can go ahead and issue your commands. You know, you can now start creating your database and all that. I will show you how to do that in the next video, how you can create database and tables with Mysql console. But at this stage, you can go ahead and quit. Yeah, end of statement, quit, end of statement. Yeah. Now, the second step you have to follow, because here I did say step 1 and step 2. Step 1 is for you to type all your commands in Mysql console and check that it won't let you enter your console without entering your password. Once you've done that, you need to browse to this WAMP. Browse to this Mysql, no, WAMP apps php.myadmin. You are looking for a file called config.inc. So once you open up that file, you need to change this line of code here, line 17, to read as line 20. In other words, you put the same password you entered in Mysql console in that line of code there to read like that, and then you are good to go. So let me show you how you can do just that now. So you can open up go to the drive where you save this drive, where I save my WAMP. Click it, it will open. You see you got WAMP folder there, right? You open that up. You want to go to apps. You want to go to my PHP My Admin 3.2.2.1. click it to open it. Now you are looking for that file called config.inc. See that? Double click it, it will open up for you. And here, this is that line of code. You must type the same password. The same password you use for in your MySQL console. Once you've typed that, save. Go ahead and save that. And then restart all services. Okay. Now, after you've done that, that's your complete. Okay. Now, by the time when this services restarts, right, you can, if you go ahead now and open up my PHP My Admin, that warning sign will be gone. Okay. So now the server restarts. If I left click it and now go to my PHP My Admin, now that warning sign will not be displayed anymore for you to enter your password for your root. So you just wait for a while for that PHP My Admin to load, and then you will see that this thing is not there anymore. Okay, so now you can start creating your database. You see that warning sign is gone. This is how you create your password for your root in your MySQL server. Okay, so I'll end this video right here and then continue on to show you. You can now create your database from here, or you can use MySQL console. Okay, all right, thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye.